the
You guys, this is the first time that we have been together and watched the sunset together.
over the ocean.
Over the ocean.
Yes. So
So
we've that's one of our things we do every day back at yurt camp or wherever we've been camping on this journey.
yeah,
And the sunsets are beautiful everywhere. But
look.
this is going to be our first together sunset over the Gulf of Mexico.
Can't ask for nothing better than that.
Man, I'm excited.
And it just,
And
doesn't it spark your heart?
yeah.
It's like
Well,
sparks
if it
my
don't,
heart.
it's something wrong, right?
That's right.
Y'all.
I think I fell in love again.
Yeah. That's a sunset kiss right there.
It
Then
is.
look, the moon right there. Holy crap. That's awesome. Let me flip y'all around.
Look at it, baby.
Boomage.
Oh my gosh.
Is that cool, y'all? Back to the sunset. Wow, look at the color on me and Sam. I swear I look like I'm 25. Yeah.
And I look like I'm
But I feel like I'm 18. Whew, wow. Till the next morning.
It's pretty sweet, isn't it?
Look at that glow on her face, y'all. This is awesome.
If y'all have a special memory like this, put it in the comment section.
I wish we could like show pictures, you know, they could put in the comment sections. Say, yeah, me and my love was right here.
But you know what? They can send us one in the email.
YouTube, that's a good idea. Let the comment section be able to be showing some pictures and stuff. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's beautiful, y'all.
This is beautiful. And you got somebody that really loves you. Fix it for her.
Look, put your hands over it. Y'all, it's low tide and kind of smells, but sunset
When you make a memory,
is priceless.
that's all that matters, guys.
Man, and look at this. Look at this beautiful glow on these faces. Smiling
Hey, you know
faces.
what I look like?
Blue skies still and the moon boomage right there. This right here lets you know that something created this with a far more power and insight and love than we could ever have. Tell you what, if you ain't hit that subscribe button by now, hit that subscribe button and help us out. Let's get to 10K. We're going on the trip of our lifetime and taking y'all with us. Truck camping. Good, bad, and ugly.
That's right, it's good.
Let's look at this sunset, y'all. She's starting to go, babies.
Yeah.
Check it out, y'all.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Here she goes.
Live action with CNC.
Yes. And it was meant to be on this Florida beach.
Sun going down on my side of town. That's right.
Yeah. Y'all are seeing this through our eyes. And I mean, it's just an amazing thing.
That's right.
It's an amazing thing. And it makes me so excited.
I know it. Peace out. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this sunset. But we ain't done. We'll see y'all in the morning after this. But
check it out.
Just had to show you this beauty.
She's resting. It's like she's resting right there.
Yeah.
Oh, look, baby. We definitely saw it together.
Yeah. There she goes,
There
y'all.
she goes, guys.
There she goes.
Ooh, gives me chills.
All right, y'all. Peace out. Good morning, everybody. Yeah.
We are loaded up.
Yep, we spared you the expense of watching that. We are loaded up and we're ready to go. So one last look we'll show you guys here in just a second of Gulf of Mexico, Shired Island. Yep, we're tired, we need some coffee, and that's what we're going after right now. So, yurt.
Yurt, guys.
And there you go, guys. Low tide still out, but that was our view and we very much enjoyed it. There you go.
Hey guys.
Yurt. Yurt Nation is on the road.
That's right.
Yeah, that was a very beautiful place that we stayed, Shired Island. Sure was, but this morning I was ready to go.
Why are you ready to go, baby?
And don't get me wrong, everybody, I love country music, okay? But I don't want to hear country music till midnight. And I sure the hell don't want us to hear it first thing in the morning at 7:30 in the morning.
I swear these people partied, I mean, all night.
So I'm tired. We just got us some coffee. And we're hitting the road. Going to another place. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video with sunset. Me and Cynthia got to experience a beautiful sunset over the water, ocean water. And
Yeah, and what's so special is, okay, before we saw the beach, or beach together, and then last night, we saw for the first time together the sunset, as you guys have seen, and
it's beautiful. So beautiful.
it was like melting. It was just so warm and good feeling, and
Yeah.
just touched our hearts, you know.
I also want to touch base on this. It's a good campsite, don't get me wrong. But you do need to have cash. We didn't have cash, so that guy just said, don't worry about it. I think it was only $10, which is awesome. I gotta slow down here, right lane closed. So yeah, I mean, what I'm saying is we enjoyed our time, but it was time to just go. I was wondering if it would have been any other, little more private, I guess, or whatever, we'd stay probably all week. But
Yeah, people were ready to party especially before we went to bed. Then we had people, coming over and talking for 3 hours, and I love to talk. Don't get me wrong, I love to talk and stuff like that. But
yeah. Well, then we had people, I guess local people showed up, had lamps on, picking up those little bitty crabs, the little bitty-uns on the beach, because they could sell them for bait or something. And I'm like, gosh,
it was like,
had enough.
and they come very, very, very late. Those
Yeah, it was
people.
pretty late, but those people, other people that was camping was still partying. So
Yeah.
and I'm all about partying. Don't get me wrong, Yurt Nation. But I'm telling you, when you're tired from traveling, needing to sleep,
Yeah.
just kind of and then
They need a little curfew situation.
Well, most places are, but this is kind of like a county. It's a county campground, so keep that in mind. But absolutely beautiful. We got some shells. Picked up a few shells. I don't even know where they're at.
I do. And look, you guys, this is so beautiful. anybody guess what this is. And then on the back,
Yeah.
that is what my man found me and yesterday. So it was a special day.
And my white legs, they ain't white no more.
They red.
That's right.
They red.
Yeah.
So
So we're heading to this other spot. Yeah. We're gonna see what's up with it and let y'all know. So y'all have a good one. Peace out. Love you guys. Yeah. Hit the subscribe button, people. What's your problem? Gosh.
and hit the notification bell, y'all.
Yeah. Man.
So I would like to say to everybody, never ever give up, please, because you are so special and you're so worth.
That's right.
And don't ever forget you have a purpose. I promise if you didn't, promise you would not be here.
That's right.
So that being said, you guys, have a wonderful, beautiful night, day, morning, and love you guys.
Yep. Catch y'all on the next one.
Mwah.
See you on the next one.
Yeah.